Welcome to another video. In this one we're going to have a look at creating a road on a hillside. Now as we see here we have our hillside. So what I've then done is sketched out using model lines the path of the road. Once I've done that, I've then gone through and taken the midpoint levels by putting just add point, and it was along the surface, and put them around the middle, and then just tweaked those levels to make them more round in number. And what I've done then is gone for absolute and put the same levels either side of the road, leaving a bit of a gap. Now what this has done is when we click on some of these, we'll see those three levels are all the same, and we've got that all the way around. I've then made a note of the levels for the various intersections of the road and where it's going to go, and then calculated the levels that I actually want the road to be at. So what I've got at the moment now is a pathway cut into the hillside, and what we're just about to do now is place the road on it. Now I want this road to have a camber, so we're going to do it in a couple elements. First of all, I'm going to create a toposolid. We'll use the pick lines and I'll go around the inside here, and we'll just do half of the road. I'll offset it 3000 because the road was 6000 wide. Okay, and the road itself, as we can see, I'm using the asphalt toposolid there. Obviously you could do a proper road construction. Tick. Now at the moment it's going to be way down the bottom down there, which is no good. So what we want to do now is modify the sub-elements, and we'll start adding in points and levels as I've worked out already. So elevations of these. Alright, so at the moment they're sat right down on the bottom. And we just need to go through and change them to the levels that have already been calculated. We'll add some points along here. So this was an absolute. Okay. So it's important to have worked all these levels out beforehand, or at least bit of trial and error if you don't, but it probably would be easier if you do work it out beforehand. There we go. So we'll look at that in 3D. And we can see now we have got our road there. What we're going to try and do, we have got a little bit of splashing over of the toposolid, as it were. So we want to tidy that up a bit. So let's go back over here and see about modifying some of these points just to drop them down a little bit. Let's try. There we go. And that just tidies that up. More by there that needs removing. So let's try and deal with that. And what we can do is add a point along that line, maybe. Oop. Did that, should have done that along the surface, so we'll just undo that. And then we can modify it afterwards. There we go, that looks better. So we are gradually just tidying up some of these points here. There we go. So there is the first half of our road. We can click on Modify tab, go for Cut Geometry, click on the original toposolid, and then click on the road. And now we've cut that out, so it even looks tidy in there. And we've sort of got a relatively smooth road. Now, as we can see, my levels weren't perfect here. Probably should have adjusted some of these levels here to just make it a bit more even. So my working out was not quite there. So we'll take a little look at that and tell you what we could do to make that not so steep. We'll make that one, let's try 325. We'll add 300 mil to it. And add 300 to this one. We could probably regrade this a bit more, actually. Yeah, that's starting to look better. So as we can see, we can create our road surface like that. And we also have a slight runoff by there. we can just adjust those ground levels back again if we want to then to allow it to do that cut because it's lost the cut by there. Now, basically what I would then do is another one of these on the other side and try and match up the levels. On that road. Level 0. Okay. So we could edit the sketch of that one. Or we could just create a new one, which is what I've done previously. But that, though, has basically given you the basics of creating a road on a hillside where the road is relatively smooth. A little bit of fine-tuning needed on some points there, just to keep those gradients a bit more smooth than I currently have them. But we have got the gist of it worked out. All right, so I hope you found